10 Simple Ways on How to Make $100 a Day Using AI. Article number 1, Understanding AI's Potential. I hope you enjoy this series of articles and that it helps you understand the advancements that have been made with AI and how those advancements can make you a great side hustle. Article number 1, Understanding AI's Potential. Artificial intelligence, AI, is not science fiction. It has become an integral part of our everyday lives, subtly influencing our decisions and actions. From the algorithms that recommend movies on streaming platforms to voice-activated personal assistants, AI systems are embedded in numerous applications that enhance convenience and efficiency. This article explores the fundamentals of AI, its evolution, its various types, and how individuals can harness its potential to create income streams. To understand AI's potential fully, it is essential to recognize what it encompasses. At its core, artificial intelligence simulates human intelligence using computers. Machine learning, by the use of computers, acquires information and uses certain rules and reasons to draw conclusions, as well as self-corrects. Over the years, AI has evolved significantly from rudimentary algorithms to sophisticated deep learning models. Initially developed in the mid-20th century as a means for machines to perform tasks requiring human-like intellect, AI has undergone rapid advancements due to improvements in computational power and data availability. The introduction of machine learning, a subset of AI, allowed computers not just to follow explicit programming, but also learn from experience. Today's neural networks mimic the human brain's function more closely than ever before. There are various types of AI systems available today: narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI refers specifically to systems designed for particular tasks, like facial recognition software or chatbots, while strong AI possesses generalized human cognitive abilities across a wide range of functions. However, we have yet to achieve this level with current technology. We can now leverage these advancements, which are where real opportunities lie. Numerous entrepreneurs have found success by utilizing existing tools powered by artificial intelligence while innovating their unique offerings. For example, freelance writers who employ language generation models like GPT 4.5 for content creation can significantly augment their productivity while maintaining quality output. Similarly, graphic designers can utilize design platforms equipped with machine learning algorithms that analyze trends within visual aesthetics at lightning speed, the result being quicker project turnarounds without sacrificing creativity or originality. Individuals seeking new income streams should first explore how they can effectively incorporate these powerful technologies into their workflows. Herein lies an often overlooked aspect. Understanding one's target audience remains crucial regardless of technological capabilities employed. Knowing what resonates with consumers ensures relevance in any market segment chosen. For practical application purposes, within this article's context, consider affiliate marketing as an accessible income stream method, enhanced through automation features offered by many of today's emerging tools. By leveraging social media platforms, combined with intelligent advertising solutions powered by advanced algorithms tailored towards specific demographics behaviors, it becomes easier than ever before, not only reaching prospective customers, but also providing them value-added experiences, leading ultimately toward conversions. As we delve deeper into each section throughout this journey together, remember that every tool discussed here serves one primary purpose: to empower you toward achieving financial independence through strategic utilization, leveraging cutting-edge innovation surrounding artificial intelligence technologies. In summary, understanding how far we've come concerning artificial intelligence allows us clearer perspectives about future possibilities available through collaboration between man-machine interactions, transforming industries globally, including yours. So let's embark on exploring those avenues further into identifying lucrative niches, our next topic. With these foundational insights established regarding artificial intelligence's potential within everyday life, individuals now possess a clearer roadmap guiding them towards discovering innovative ways generating passive incomes alongside tangible benefits derived from embracing such remarkable advancements